Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get the True Black Die in Crimson Desert. The True Black Die can only be unlocked through a faction quest line. So first things first, head to this side of the map. The location is called Mukun, a village at the southeast edge of Tashkalp in the Crimson Desert. This first time you get here, you will trigger a quest that asks you to liberate this area. After you successfully liberated the area, a new faction quest will unlock called the Lifted Fog. Track this quest and you will be asked to deliver the news to a guard in Tomaso that you liberated the village. If you go back to Mukun after completing this quest, there will be a new quest line that unlocks near this bonfire. Stand behind this wall to eavesdrop on their conversation. If you're having a hard time initiating the eavesdrop, crouch near the wall, then stand when you're near the edge of the broken wall. You also need to make sure that your weapons are stowed and you're facing the wall. After gaining the knowledge of the conversation, a new quest marker will appear for this quest line. If you talk to this NPC from the quest tracker, you will be asked to bring a wagon to sell to him. Wagons can be found traveling along these main roads and can be hard to find, so if you can't find any, there might be a wagon up here where I'm standing. Also, be careful traveling back to the wagon station since the roads are full of bandits. After selling the wagon, talk to the NPC again and he will ask you to bring in 2 additional wagons. After this quest, if you check Mukun, a new NPC will unlock which will be the back alley shop. In this back alley shop, you can buy the black die. After buying it, head to the Varnias die shop to use the black die. Now open your inventory and use the black die. Interact with the die vendor and you'll see that you can now use the full shades of the black die. And that's how to get the true black die in Crimson Desert. Thank you so much for watching.